Hi, welcome to 209 Online. Today we're going to be talking about pennies and nickels and how much they're worth. We've been studying about what's on the front of our penny, which is Abraham Lincoln, and we've been talking about what's on the back, which is the Lincoln Memorial. And we also looked at the nickel and how Thomas Jefferson is on the front and his home, Monticello, is on the back. But today we're going to really be diving in about how much they're worth and counting these coins. So let's get started. So if we have 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, and 5 pennies. So if we have 5 pennies, how much do we have? Well, our penny is worth 1 cent, penny is worth 1 cent, penny is worth 1 cent, a penny is worth 1 cent. So if our penny is worth 1 cent, let's count how many cents we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 cents. Okay, let's count more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we have 8 pennies. So if we go with our song where the penny is worth 1 cent, let's count how many cents we have. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. So we have 8 cents altogether. Now we're going to go with our nickels. Our nickels are worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So if we have 1 nickel, that's 5 cents. So if we were to have 2 nickels, that would be 5 plus 5. So if we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have 5, 10. We have 10 cents. Let's put in another nickel. So we have 5, 10. We're going to count 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we have 15 cents because we have 3 nickels. And we're also counting by 5s. So those of you that are starting to count by 5s, this is your chance to really understand nickels. So we have 5, 10, 15, and let's do one more. We have 5 more cents to our 15. So we're going to count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 cents. Or if you want to count by 5s, you can do 5, 10, 15, 20. We have 20 cents. Okay, so in your sleeve, you will find one side has pennies, and you will count how many pennies there are and put the cents at the end. We've practiced our cents a little bit, but our cents really have, it's a C with a line in the middle. Hey, Gara, can you hand me a permanent marker?
I can.
So I can show our kids what it looks like. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are going to do a C. Of course, you're going to write your what? Name at the top. So write your name. And then you're going to practice writing a C. So Magic Bunny C. And then with a line in the middle, just like that. So when you get to how many pennies there are, you're going to write this, maybe a little bit smaller though, after your number. Then when you get done with your pennies, you're going to flip it over. You don't need to write your name again because you've already written your name once. But if you would like to, go ahead. I know you will. And you're going to count your nickels. So like we did here, we did 5, 10, 15. And so you would write 15 and then your magic bunny, see, with a line to show that it's 15 cents. Okay, and then once you get done with that, there's a really cool app that you can get on the App Store or on the Google Play, and it's called Counting Coins. And you're gonna go to Show Values, and you can bring and drag up any of the coins. I would particularly do the penny and the nickel right now since we haven't really studied the dime or the quarter yet. And if you drag up the pennies or the dime or the nickels, then you can see how many cents you have with each time you add one more. And then when you take it away, it shows that how much you've taken away. And it's kind of a cool app so that you can see how much cents you have. It's free, so go ahead and download that. It's a really quick download and you'll have a lot of fun doing that. But until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.